Hello, Troubleshooting here. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix some issues with the Asana app on iOS. So first what you want to do is go to the App Store, search bar, Asana, and you're looking for update. If it's available. If it's available update here, when I have the open bar, there should be update bar, and you just need to update. Maybe that's gonna fix some issues with your app. But if you update it and you still have some issues, I'm gonna show you two more ways. First way is going up to the settings, scroll all the way down, go to the apps, go here or here, just Asana, and here go to the fabric, set every setting on fabric, like me. Siri here, fabric, search here, fabric, notifications, you don't need to, it doesn't matter, background app refresh doesn't matter, language doesn't matter, and here are more. And the last way is just reinstall the application. You need to click here, remove app, then uninstall, go up to the App Store, and here install again. If you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe.